Doing when we get a registration. So after we get a registration, I'm going to people who registered and I'm sending them this message. I'm sending them a message that please get in touch with Dr. Vora at this number for registering a Python session. We had very low participation, so we had to cancel the class. Now, how do I get these people? When you go on the top right, you will see these events. Like I had to cancel the event, otherwise they would show up. So whenever we have an event where people register, we would cancel that and then we would bust that. Before we cancel the event, we get people who registered here on the top left, which we cannot see anymore. So before we cancel, we can message them and then we can send them. Now, this guy registered NGOZ. We cannot see it here because we already canceled the event. But what we can do is we can go here and we can search in the members. We should have done this before canceling the event. So this is the person who registered NGOZ, and let's see anyone else who registered NGOZ. I think that's it. So whenever we get somebody registering for any of the events, we would send them a message and we would have to cancel the event. Otherwise, they'll come there for the event. So do we have any other registration for any event? Let's see. 3333333. No. So there is no registration for any future events. If we see any registration for any future events, we'll go to the event. We would click on the person and we would say, hey, the event is cancelled because of extremely low participation, and we are going to send them a message. So we'll say, hey, something like this. So this is what you have to do. A lot of them are like fake profiles or bots, so don't worry about that. So this is about canceling the event and contacting people to make them call Ankit.